Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. With the volatility that we've had in the last couple of weeks in the stock market, it's really easy to get discouraged. I can tell you personally, I lost about $85,000 out of my total portfolio in the last 10 days. Now, is that making me despair? No. Am I going to stay the course? Yes. Here's why. I still have 10, 15, 20 years left in my investing career. Now, I plan to be retired for part of that, but I'm still going to keep my money invested. You guys, this was a big correction. For some people, if you're a new investor, it may be the first significant correction you've seen. The stock market went from a high of 3,400 in the S&P all the way down to 2,800. That's about a 12 to 13% drop in 8 days. Now, if we take a look at this, it looks like the high on February 19th, we were at 3,386. And if we look at the low down on February 28th, we were all the way down to 2,864. That's a drop of over 500 points, you guys. Now, happy news. If we take a look at today, we see that today we've actually had a little bit of a comeback. Now, is it all back? No. I think going forward, we're going to have more volatility in the stock market. There's going to be up days, there's going to be down days. We've been in a bull market for 11 years. We've been riding a train that, other than a few little hiccups, has gone nothing but straight up. Stock market doesn't always do that. There's going to be times, there's going to be recessions again. When? I don't know when, but the market is going to go up and down. We saw a little bit of that last week with the coronavirus scare. Now, do I think that's done? Absolutely not. I think you're going to see more volatility because of it. It's affecting trade. It's affecting a lot of things. Other things affect it. Does that change our mind on what to do? Absolutely not. Now, we got a little bit of a lower price. So what did I do today? I actually put a little bit more into my M1 account than I normally do. I usually do $100 every Monday. This morning I did $250. And I bought the 3 stocks that I had that went down the most: Walmart, Walgreens, and National Fuel Gas. For me, those were ones that were significantly lower than my average share price. They were the biggest losers, so I bought more of them. Now, those are dividend stocks. Because they're dividend stocks, I know that even if the price in the share goes down some, I'm still going to get the same dividend check every 3 months on all of these. You guys, there's going to be rough days. There's going to be times. 1 week doesn't make you scared, but what if that turned into 5 weeks or 5 months? There's going to be times when the stock market's going to be depressed for long periods of time. You have to keep the same attitude. Do not fear a stock market going down. It's inevitable. It will happen. But you have to do one thing: stay the course. Buy quality companies, buy ETFs that are broad-based, buy index funds that are broad-based, hold them through thick and thin. Remember, the longer you have until you need to take that money, the more time you have for it to grow, but the more time you have to make up for little corrections like we had this week. All right, you guys. Now, happy news. Today, the stock market's up. Now, we're not back up to where we were by any means, not even close, but it's a good sign. There's going to be good days, there's going to be bad days, you guys. Stay the course. All right, we'll see you.